Kopi Luwak, or civet coffee, refers to the coffee that includes part digested coffee cherries eaten and defecated by the Asian palm civet, Paradoxurus hermaphroditus. Producers of the coffee beans argue that the process may improve coffee through two mechanisms: selection and digestion. Selection occurs if the civets choose to eat cherries. Digestive mechanisms may improve the flavor profile of the coffee beans that have been eaten. The civet eats the cherries for the fleshy pulp. Then in the digestive tract, fermentation occurs. The civet's protease enzymes seep into the beans, making shorter peptides and more free amino acids. Passing through a civet's intestines, the cherries are then defecated with other fecal matter and collected. The traditional method of collecting feces from wild civets has given way to intensive farming methods in which civets in battery cage systems are force-fed the cherries. This method of production has raised ethical concerns about the treatment of civets due to horrific conditions, including isolation, poor diet, small cages and a high mortality rate. A 2013 BBC investigation of intensive civet farming in Sumatra found conditions of animal cruelty. Intensive farming is also criticized by traditional farmers because the civets do not select what they eat, so the cherries are fed to them to flavor the coffee are of poor quality compared to beans collected from the wild. According to an officer from the Traffic Conservation Program, the trade in civets to make Kopi Luwak may constitute a significant threat to wild civet populations.